Craobh Kerry here, Canish. Ghaeltacht again of Daingean Chúis, the other law in the park in Nish, and Ghaeltacht, Shishin, Polo Duan, or Daingean Chúis, agus on Ghaeltacht, on Ghaeltacht. Was in Ray Town, she Pharaoh Scat the Glen, Donald Casey, on Lagaheven. Agus she Fern Daingean Chúis, not so cool, Gavin Curran, Nina Long Cool, Johnny B. O'Brusnacon, Gavin O'Corran, agus Mihala Flanura. Black Cool, Polo Duan, Captain, Brown Dawn, Kells, agus Tommy B. O'Brusnacon. Bertra Harla na Parker, Daro Sullivan, agus Barrow Sullivan. And dinner an Ivradesh and dinner Elesh and Matthew O'Flaherty. Agus big na foreigner Nishig Gary. Mihala Michael Gainey under 40, agus Jack O'Sullivan, Ivradoyug, Mark Evans, Polo Gainey, agus Carl Bambury. Thomas O'Shea, Chiarraí, Tashin Johanov, anyway. On your road, Craobh. Yeah, Ghaeltacht forced to break away here. Carl McGarrett, in fact. Now, Mikey Gainey. There's a good low ball in there into the corner, but it's fall there for Paul Gainey. Paul Gainey, a chance here to go, and Paul Gainey does what Paul Gainey does. He goes for a goal, maybe a point would have been, in hindsight, would have been the right opportunity. It was a good, great block there by Tom Sayers, great save, and plays it out here, and the Ghaeltacht now come away with it. Susan Cathal McGarrett goes up the line here now. Low ball inside him. Mark goes up in the 40. Mark is, of course, superb football. Mark is going to have a cut at a point here, maybe. Mark takes a kick and it's gone over the bar. Craig Fine to Trish. No me, that's Craig a second. Mark O'Shea. He's cut out there. McGarrett hand pass in now again there. It's the roll McGarrett inside and he plays it back to Mark. Mark takes his eye off it, but he collects it again. And this is John Michael O'Shea again. John Michael steadies himself with the right leg and it looks good. It's gone over the bar. Conditions perfect. Underfoot conditions perfect. Tomas here out here again. Ian comes looking for it. Darrow Sullivan goes high and Darrow's fouled. Plays a quick ball down to Jack O'Sullivan. Tomas O'Shea now goes chasing. Jack has the legs surely for Tomas. He goes in the near side here. Tomas getting him. Jack takes a shot. It's gone over the bar from Jack O'Sullivan. Great point. He certainly had the legs there, and a great point to Jack O'Sullivan himself. Yeah, there's a good ball out there to Jack O'Sullivan. Jack goes racing down the field. He goes into the town. Tomas O'Shea gets a hand, but Matthew picks it up. Matthew turns. There's a good ball across field here to Paul Gainey. Paul Gainey out looking. Says a little dummy there and going forward. He's got his left leg. It's a great score. Quality score from Paul Gainey. Come here, co-scoring ish. What time? Deno made 3 point and I go pointed. Ghaeltacht leading by 1 point, and Gavin Curran plays it over towards the stand side there. Adjusting there for the Ghaeltacht, pick it out of the sky there. Plays into John Michael again. John Michael picks it up and puts it straight over the bar. Sharmi Holo Conocour. Mikey Gainey gets it, turns, gets support from Barry O'Sullivan. Barry O'Sullivan looking up. There's a low ball in there to Cathal Bambury. Cathal Bambury now picks it up, looking for options here. Plays a cross-field ball, not the best, towards Mark Evans. Mark has to go back for it. Mark now picks it up. A little bit ponderous here from Dingle. Barry O'Sullivan going to get a shot here. It's a poor shot, I have to say. Nose it on. But Paul Gainey puts it out of the sky and puts it in the back of the net. Superb from Paul Gainey. Merciful. Picked it out of the sky, Paul Gainey, and does what Paul Gainey does best and puts it into the back of the net. And Barry'll say he was playing into Paul Gainey. Was a great Bonish Jordan Shin. Seamus O'Doula trying to rise his team now. Dingle all of a sudden going to a 1-2 to 4 point. That's a 1 point lead for Dingle. 5 points to 4. Paul Gainey. No, he stands up to it. Takes the kick. They're happy in the stand. They're clapping in the stand. Mark Evans. Nothing like having a left-legged player on your side who can do that for you. Great score. Padraig is going to take it. Padraig O'Shea takes it there up. Good ball up to this guy's. John Michael O'Shea certainly playing well. Leaves off there to Tomas, who's gone forward. Tomas goes forward. Dara trying to get him. Tomas takes the kick. That's a good kick, I have to say. Tomas O'Shea. Tomas O'Shea. Yeah. Carl takes it quickly inside to none other than John Michael O'Shea, who's won early if a ball has gone in him, but Tommy B is taking up and he tries to cut inside, goes back on the left leg this time. The left leg this time has gone over the bar. There's 4 points for Sean Mihal O'Connor, as I say. Tommy forward goes Cathal McGarrett. Hand passes off there again. And back there to Padraig O'Shea. Padraig O'Shea bursts through the tackle there. Barry O'Sullivan trying to get him, but Padraig O'Shea goes forward. Hand pass off to John Michael O'Connor. He steadies himself and Tasha Cree in the sky playing great football. He has put over 6 points. Shea into 4 from play. Now half time. The couple no made Suster and we'll come back with the second half. Grumir Magav. Right, second half is on, ball goes high and Johnny B going to pick up the break here now and leaves it back there to Captain in the corner. Kick out here by Tomas McIntyre. Out here towards picked up there well, I must say, by Ghaeltacht now coming Paul Gainey, but Tomas O'Shea goes forward. Paul Devan tries to get him. Mikey Gainey tries to get him. Tomas O'Shea going down the field. Tomas O'Shea who goes close. Mikey Gainey, must say, did great work. And Mikey Gainey won the day there, and Matthew was back. That's great. And of course, Johnny B. Great work by Dingle now. Dingle back within 1 point. Paul Gainey's back there. I'd rather see him up close to the goal. Here's Jack in his shoulder if he needs him. He's Mikey Gainey. There's a ball down the line there for Carl Bambury. Carl Bambury out in front. Tries to turn his man. Goes up around the line here now. It's a big moment for Dingle. Carl Bambury cutting inside well on his solo run here now. Brian Begley's getting him, loses the ball. Is he fouled? He's not. He hand passes back there. Who's there? It's challenge for Dingle here. Mark Evans. Both the back of the net. It's a great goal from Dingle. Paul Gainey came out, left it up to Cathal Bambury. Cathal Bambury ran into a bit of traffic, but Mark Evans was there to pick up the pieces and the balls in the back of the net. Treshin, Do Quig and Ishigor Daingean Kush, Nefoin to go and Ghaeltacht. Great goal there. Great goal for Dingle there. Good run for Cathal Bambury. Mark Evans was involved. Mark Evans, Jack Sullivan, they were all in support there. That was a great goal. More open, down the wings. It wasn't a straightforward ball in. They used their pace, they used their speed, and the ball ended up in the back of the net. And that's what I want from Dingle. I want them to use their speed, use the wings, and use their intelligence. Now Mikey Gainey plays a direct ball in there towards Cathal Bambury. Cathal Bambury picks it up and kicks it straight over the bar. And that's the ball. Fast ball, direct ball, not a high ball up in the air, but a good ball into forward, and all of a sudden now Dingle 2-6, a 3-point lead, and I Nefointe and Ghaeltacht haven't scored in the second half here today. Some 15 minutes gone. Dingle all of a sudden turning it on, playing it more intelligently, playing it more quicker and playing it wider. Darragh O'Sullivan's fouled there. No, he's not. Barry O'Sullivan has it, hand passes up the line there to Paul Gainey. Paul Gainey gets down it. He needs support. He's on the ground. He has Barry O'Sullivan outside him if he needs him, but Paul is still a bit of bother. It's going to be a hot ball, I think. Great spell there for Dingle. Can they keep it going? Some 15 minutes gone in the second half. But a big change in the style of play there. Big change in the style of play. The goal came from a wide ball, came from a line ball, played down the line there. And that's where the goal came. And the following point came from a quick ball in. Now, Darragh O'Sullivan has it. Darragh O'Sullivan plays across there to Mikey Gainey. Mikey Gainey trying to make room. Mikey Gainey goes bursting through the centre. He's support there on his shoulder from Johnny B. He's going all the way with the left leg. Oh, the back of the net. The back of the net. It's gone into the back of the net. Tomas McIntyre was cut out there. Mikey Gainey put that into the back of the net. Goal there from Mikey Gainey. Mikey Gainey 3-6 now in Aignay, to Dingle all of a sudden goes sailing into a 6-point lead. Craobh and Darla, have to save it, hooked in. McGall goes high for Ghaeltacht. Craobh and Darla, Shady Guleno made him. Tomas O'Shea is going to take control. What a turnaround. Dingle were 2 points behind, but the Ghaeltacht haven't scored here in the second half. Tommy B, there's a ball in here for Matthew. This might be a great opportunity for Matthew. Matthew picks it up, gets on his right side, kicks it over the bar. Great run by Matthew, great run. Great work by Paul Gainey initially. Paul Gainey did great work there. Tommy B picked up the pieces, and Matthew O'Flaherty made the run and put it over the bar. Now Johnny B takes it up the line there towards Jack. It goes over the heads of all of it. It fails for balls for Mikey. Mikey going forward there, closely marked by Paul O'Shea. He gets inside there to Jack. Jack has a chance here to put it over the bar for Jack's second score of the game. Over the bar from Jack O'Sullivan. Great running again. Better play from Dingle. Smarter play, using the wings, using their speed, and the ball goes over the bar. Going backwards now and back to Paul O'Shea. Paul O'Shea comes into the line here for a Quig. Tommy B comes to meet him, and Paul goes all the way. Here's his chance. Hand passes it off there to Uncle Tomas, and Tomas taps it over the bar. The smallest line, warming up there on the side. It goes high there, and Tomas O'Shea brings it down. Tomas not giving up. O'Shea down under the Alpine side there, plays the ball in. Good ball for the forward. Éanna's out in front. Éanna is it back there to Miala Conacour. Gavin Curran fouls him. Yep. 8 points in it. I think the Ghaeltacht won't be happy with a point here. John Michael O'Connor stands over it. He is going to settle for a point. I am surprised. Barry O'Sullivan up the line. The game is over. A superb second half display here from Ghaeltacht. I would thank Paul the Duffy, Michael Dargan for this presentation of this final here today in Parkinasig. 3-8 for Dingle, 11 points for Ghaeltacht. They all play their part from Coolbara out. They all turned it on there in the second half for me. I have to say Johnny B, Gavin Curran, Miala Flanura, Captain Paul Devan, Brown Kelleher, Tommy B, Darragh O'Sullivan, Barra O'Sullivan, Matthew, Mikey Gainey, Jack, Mark Evans, Paul Gainey, Cathal Bambury. I have to say they all played great stuff. And Gene there when he came on, and the players who played their part during the year. Sean Flaherty there, Brian Devan, Aidan Devan, Paul McMillish, Donald Ryan, Conor O'Sullivan, Stephen Boland, Seamus O'Kelleher, David Green, Seamus Kelleher, Liam Boland, Donald Sheehy, Dara Ryan, Dahi O'Connacour and Joseph McEntee. Gurmina Mahagat.
Firstly, I'd like to say hard luck to the Ghaeltacht. Another tough bruising contest could have gone either way. It's been a tough year for you. You'd lost of Tom Connor there, a great club man for the Ghaeltacht and a great West Kerry man. I won't say the joy marking him or the task of marking him a lot, and it wasn't easy. But after like today, the shouting was hard, the shouting was loud, the tackling was hard. But no matter how disgusted he was in losing Jingle or how happy he was, he'd always shake your hand. And like today, he did the same. Like everyone else did today, was the same. Fair play to Nicky and Jimmy and the rest of the lads continuing to give their hearts and thoughts in the Ghaeltacht stuff. Well done today, lads. Seamus Dowd. He put up with a lot this year, but like I said before, the guys that were there today are the guys he loves working with. The amount of work he does on the field and watching videos, DVDs and whatever, I said, and he doesn't get a minute off him, but it's all worth it, and he's the happiest man, and we're delighted today that we've won it for him. Champion! Champion! Champion!